Having the ability to select a similar object by its vertex count comes in mighty handy. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now, I was doing the usual Discord stalking and I came across a very nice add-on. Now, this is the developer's very first Blender add-on. Usually it writes software for another 3D application. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. But this add-on is pretty much a godsend, and I wish I had this last week, to be honest. And it pretty much does exactly what it says on the tin. Select by vertex count. Now, just to kind of give you a working example, I had a CAD model and it had something like 2,000 screws, and I just never really had the ability to select all of these. I couldn't do it by material, the naming convention was all over the place, and when it came to the file structure, it didn't bear thinking about. But I still had to select these screws, and if I had this, it would have made my life 100 times easier. So what I can do here is I can select the icosphere, for example. I can go to select by vertex count, and it will select everything with the exact same vertices. So you can see here 292. Same goes for the cube. Select by vertex count, bada bada bing. Now, of course, you might run into a problem. You might have two separate different objects, and they might actually have the same vertex count. Very rare that you would run across this, but obviously it will pick this up. And that is pretty much it. It's a nice basic add-on. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, you know what to do.